No, no, no. Ozone has no value in completely degenerated disc. For example, there is no water molecules seen in the MRI.
Yeah.
It is not what is going to happen for the patient. Patient will have good relief, may not have good relief. But here it is a volumetric reduction, therefore you expect a good outcome. Only thing, it is little costly. The kit alone cost about 55,000.
Okay. And does it affect biomechanically? Because disc is the shock absorber.
Yeah, one or two level disc you can do hydrostasis. You're going to put a guide wire.
So posterior 1/3 only we have crossed. Is that adequate, or we have to reach?
After the introduction of the guide wire, the needle will be taken out.
Okay, sir.
And you will have some sort of a loss of resistance when it enters the annulus fibrosus.
Yes, sir.
Because the annulus, beyond the annulus fibrosus is a jelly-like material.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a soft material. So you will have a loss of resistance. So can you see the guide wire has gone beyond the needle? Can you see?
Yes, sir. It's in the mid part of the.
Yeah. So he is going to remove. It's a railroading technique, something like that. And he is taking out the needle out.
Era, these procedures were done, is it not?
And an incision has been made already, and he is going to pass that needle into the disc. You have to do a continuous mode, no?
Sir,
Can you see the needle now?
sir, the needle looks
Yeah, it's
bigger.
coming.
What is the...
Afterwards, the guide wire will be removed.
Okay.
This is something like a railroading technique
Okay.
or Seldinger's technique.
The guide wire, which it was originally.
Not up to that level. It should be ideally, it should gone beyond the annulus fibrosis. Say 1/3 it has crossed. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And one of our delegates wants to know,
Ah.
inserting such a big needle, are we causing trauma to the annulus and causing it to
Yeah,
rupture?
I have answered that question already.
Now I anchored it. We are doing this procedure.
No, it was not clear to him,
Yeah,
so we
goes
wanted. If time permits, you can explain.
Normal. So the needle is in the intervertebral space.
The image screen can be slightly enlarged to see a better view.
Fluoroscopic
The
picture.
flow.
That is the speed at which it comes, exits from the needle.
Now priming has done. Huh? The water came out in the outside.
Board of fluoroscopic screening. Can you see that the annulus has come
Yes.
out of the needle, and it is in the middle part of the disc, and is just doing a to and fro movement.
First 3 minutes. First 1 minute, to and fro. Second 1 minute. Always rotate. Better to rotate. Huh? Can you see any particles? Show that one also.
Yeah, focus here.
Focus the particles coming out.
Can you please enlarge that view where we can see the particles?
No, you should focus. Get it closer.
Yeah, bottle little bit over. One bottle over.
Yeah.
You can focus பண்ணுங்க. Take the bottle.
Is that?
And 20 grams means you measure every time you remove the particle.
It's a theoretical dry weight of the material extracting.
And how do you decide the time?
Okay, it's over. I'm removing the needle now.
Okay, very interesting and appealing, Dr. Prem.
Thank you.
And is it like, can we differentiate these materials?
We haven't taken any motor deficit case because it is one of the.
No, you told earlier,
Yeah.
that thing you told earlier.
Now I am going to do L5 root block for this case.
Okay.